We have seen our police forces struggling to manage crowd due to lack of proper equipment, which has resulted in mob violence and huge loss of public property. Forces use conventional barricades to control crowd, but during emergency situations, this method fails since it's extremely heavy and difficult to transport and requires a lot of time and manpower for installation, which many times results in failure to fully control the mob. Just like the forces in Western countries, our forces needs to be equipped with modern and practical devices. That's why we developed Dhaal, Wall of Safety for New Age Forces. With just 38 kgs of weight of a single unit, measuring 5 feet tall and 4 feet wide, a single person can operate it very easily. Made of highest strength 6082 T6 alloy with unique interlocking feature, Dhaal can be assembled into a seamless wall of any length, which converts the area into a secured fortress, helping the forces to manage crowds much more efficiently during sensitive conditions, thus protecting precious lives and preventing public property from any damages. The compact size and foldable design of Dhaal makes it very easy to store and transport. Since it occupies very less space, so a mini truck can carry 300 to 500 feet of barricades very conveniently, thus reducing the time and manpower required to install at any location. The highest strength 6082 T6 alloy not only makes it super strong and lightweight, but also makes it a zero maintenance device, since there is no fear of rusting and oxidation. Dhaal, Wall of Safety for New Age Forces.